so today we are here to answer your questions on semen freezing and fertility preservation. So this session is designed to address the process, benefits and application of the sperm cryopreservation process. So let's get started.
Semen freezing or sperm cryopreservation is a technique in which the sperms are frozen at very low temperatures for future use. Semen freezing is often recommended to patients before medical treatments such as chemotherapy or vasectomy, which may affect fertility. It is also recommended to patients with low or declining sperm count or to those people who want to delay parenthood.
After collection of the semen sample, we allow the sample to liquefy for around 15 to 20 minutes and we check for the count and motility of the sample. The semen sample is mixed with cryoprotective agent drop by drop. This is done to prevent the sample from damage during the freezing procedure. After this, we gradually cool the sample in liquid nitrogen vapors and directly plunge it into liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees Celsius.
So sperms can be frozen for many years, as long as a decade, with positive pregnancies being reported from sperms which have been frozen for over 20 years. While not all sperms can survive the freezing and thawing process, but those that do can be successful pregnancies. Also, there is no increased risk to the health of the children born through these frozen sperms.
Yes, samples can be collected at home and transported to the lab provided they are stored and transported correctly and delivered to the lab within half an hour. So generally tests for infectious as well as sexually transmitted diseases such as hepatitis B and C, VDRL, HIV are usually done to ensure safety before any fertility treatment. So this depends usually on individual circumstances such as the reason for freezing as to why you are freezing in the first place and also the sperm quality. It is common to freeze multiple samples before any medical treatment.
So this was all about the semen cryopreservation process. Remember, a good treatment plan depends on each individual situation and need. So always consult with an expert and choose what is right for you. Thank you.